It's the new year and I made my first meal, which is a black eyed peas cook up or Pelau. Stay tuned and see how I make it. So this is the beef I'm starting with. I opened it up and I washed it with lemon. I actually washed this twice, so I drained that water out and I washed it again. So once the beef is all washed and drained, I am grating in some fresh ginger. So what I'm pretty much doing is seasoning this up. You know, you want to have layers of seasoning. You want your beef to have seasoning in it. So I am seasoning this up. I'm putting salt. I'm putting black pepper. I also you can use whatever all-purpose seasoning you have. Whatever seasoning you want to put in here, you can use. It's not, you know, really a rule. Is whatever you have. I just use whatever I have in my pantry. So I have a Kinder it's like an all-purpose garlic and herb seasoning that I use, so I put some of that in there. I also put in a few dashes of angostura bitters, some garlic powder, and I'm putting some of this Montreal steak seasoning. Is seasoning for beef, which is really good. I love the flavors that it has, so I'm using that. And as I said, you can use whatever seasoning you desire in this. The only thing I want you to like definitely put in is your green seasoning. Like that is something that has to be in there. It's gonna, you know, really help this to marinate really well. Because what I did, I marinated this overnight. So once you put in that green seasoning and you mix all of that up, you put it overnight, it's gonna absorb all that marinade, and it's gonna be really tasty. And all the measurements for these will be in the description below. Just click and you can get it. I have a lot of people asking me for in the ingredients. They said I don't give ingredients, but it's in the description. So I put in some pepper flakes, which is optional. I just want a little spiciness to my beef. And now I'm just mixing this up. I'm gonna cover it down and put it in the refrigerator overnight. So now I am working on the coconut. This is a fresh coconut I'm using, and it's good, nice and white on the inside. Now I'm gonna just dig it out of the shell. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this up with a little water. First I'll cut them up into small pieces, and then I'm going to blend it up to extract the milk from the coconut. So this is how I'm cutting it. I'm just cutting them up really nice and small. Put some water in there and blend it up. So for my black eyed peas cook up, I have a lot of different things here. I have some pumpkins, some carrots. I also have some chopped garlic. I have some chopped onions. I have some shadow benny or bandania or culantro, it's also known as. I have some bay leaves, onions, pimento peppers, thyme, celery, a hot pepper, and all of this is going to go in there. I also have my black eye peas here that I soaked overnight, and then I boil it so that it will get soft. I'm going to drain this water out, and all I'm going to use is this, just the peas in the pilau or cook up. So I'm going to show you. I'm using beef today. I don't usually eat a lot of beef, but I saw someone make it with beef and it looks so good, so I said, you know what, I'm going to make an exception today and make a beef. But you can use any type of chicken, any kind of meat. You can use chicken, you can use smoked meat, turkey, whatever protein you want to use. But I'm using beef today. So this is my blended coconut milk. I'm just straining it out. And this is how you strain it. You just put the strainer in there, and you want to just get that milky nice part right there. So I'm just going to add some more water to this because that has a lot of good milk in there. So I'll add some more water and just squeeze it out. So now this is my pot. I'm putting in some avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you have. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever oil you have in your kitchen. So now I'm going to caramelize this sugar. This is what we call burning sugar in Trinidad. So I'm burning some sugar. This is how you make browning. This is how it starts.
So if you have browning, you could also use that, but I am doing it from scratch. So I'm just putting the sugar in there, and this is going to start getting really bubbly. And once it start you know, getting to that bubbly stage, you know that it is ready. You see how it's getting more and more bubbly. You just have to keep stirring it as you want it to burn evenly. And once this is done, you're gonna add in your protein. I'm using beef, so I'm adding in my beef that I marinated overnight, and I'm just going to, you know, mix this up. You want the beef to get all coated with that nice caramelized sugar. See how nice and brown that look? That's the way I like it. And because I'm making cook-up rice or pilau, I want the rice to get coated with that nice browning. So that's why I put the amount of sugar that I did, because I wanted to get nice and brown also. So this is just going to cook down a little, and then I'm going to start adding in the vegetables. So I'm putting in some onions, some garlic, some pimento peppers, and some celery. And I'm going to just mix all of that up, let it cook down for a little bit, maybe about 3-4 minutes. And once that is cooked down, then we're going to add in the other ingredients. So we're just doing it all in stages. So now the next stage is I'm going to add in my pumpkin, my carrots. I grated these because I don't like them in big chunks in my pilau. I do it like that sometimes, but I realize I prefer to do it this way. So I'm also putting in a few bay leaves. These are bay leaves that I got from Trinidad, and I dried it and I keep it in my kitchen so I can have it. I got it from my uncle's garden, so that is so good. It's nice and fresh, but it's just, you know, dried to, you know, preserve it. So that's good. I'm also putting in some thyme, and I'm just gonna mix all of this up once again. Once those get cooked down a little, I'm gonna add in my wonderful rice here. So the story with this rice, this is the only rice that I had some basmati rice that I wanted to finish up. I usually don't use basmati rice in pilau, so I don't think this is the right rice for this. I usually use like the parboiled, like the Uncle Ben's, or, you know, one like that. So the basmati it's not a good rice for the pilau for me. So that's just a tip. So now I'm putting in my nice fresh coconut milk. I'm adding in some water. That's the water from the seasoning. I just added some water to the seasoning that was left from the beef, and I'm just stirring all of that in there because you want all your flavors to be in there. So I'm just going to cover this and let it come up to a boil, and you will see the water starting to absorb after a while, and that's when you know that you I also put in a green hot pepper, which is optional also. So now I'm going to add in my black eyed peas, which is the star of this show. This is my New Year's Eve black eyed peas cook up, so you know you definitely have to put that. And this could be eaten at any time of the year. It's not only for New Year's. You know, some people have the superstition that you have to eat black eyed peas, you know, at the New Year and whatever. You can make this at any time, and you could also use any type of beans that you like. You could use red beans, you could use pigeon peas, whatever you like in this, because we typically make it with pigeon peas. So I'm putting in some culantro, bandania, or some people call it shadow benny, and I'm just seasoning this up now. So put in your all-purpose seasoning. You're gonna taste as you go. Put in your salt and everything, and just make sure it tastes good, because at this point this is just gonna dry out, and you want to make sure you have everything. So now I'm gonna add in some annato. This is called roucou, also in Trinidad. I have a video where I went to Trinidad and my uncle had a roucou tree, and it had all the nice roucou. I didn't even get to bring back some, I forgot, but they make it into a liquid form. Well, this is the powdered form, so that adds color to your dish. And now I'm just going to leave this to dry out. When it's done, I'm going to show you the finished product. This is the finished black eyed peas pilau. The only thing that I will tell you is do not use basmati rice. Use the other parboiled rice. It will be a little more grainier if you prefer it grainier, because it's a little too soft for me. We call it pap. Trinidad what pap. Well, that's how it is, a little pap. But it was so delicious. All the flavors were so good. So I really hope that you guys have a happy new year and subscribe to my channel. So